Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now, me and my group members will present about the project. Basically, the project is regulated DC power supply. Okay, first, let me introduce my group members. The circuit designer is Imad Yusof bin Saadun. Here we have two electrical engineer, Sharvin and Nur Khairiah binti Muhammad Khalid. And the project manager is me, Danish Ma'arif bin Muhammad Kamal.
Today I'll be explaining about our product. It's a power supply. This is a DC power supply where we used a transformer and the concept of rectifier to transfer from AC to DC. Also the usage of transformer of 12012 where it can give out 24 volt, but I only used 12 volt, which means I connected 12 and 0 to the circuit. This product output is 5 volt and 1 ampere. This product's main purpose is for mini motor and mini projects that can be used for students to do their project, where it only requires very less voltage. So the output of 5 volt is very less, so it won't be a problem using this product. Using this product for mini projects can reduce your cost too, and it's much more safer using this power supply compared to larger voltage power supply. This product is a very light thing and doesn't require many components to do, so it can be used, it can be taken anywhere easily. It's not heavy at all, and it can be used on small products without any burden. That's all from me. This is a valuable product, and thank you.
Hi, my name is Imad Yusof bin Saadun, matrix number AN200075, and I will present about circuit diagram. Okay, first, the current from the socket will be stepped down by the transformer from 240 to 5 volt. This is because the transformer is set for the secondary coil is lower from the primary coil, which make the current voltage will be stepped down to a lower value. Then the current will go through the rectifier, which turns them from AC current to DC current. We use 470 microfarad and 0.1 microfarad because at this moment, due to the pandemic, we could not get a better value for the capacitance, so we use this value for our circuit, but we still get the 5 volt result for the output. Okay, for the parts that we use in this project is 1. Step down transformer. We use 9 volt step down transformer type. Then we use diode, IN4007 diode. This diode acts as a bridge rectifier. Its function to convert the AC current to DC current. Then we use electrolytic capacitor. The capacitance is 400 microfarad. Its function to reduce the ripple voltage in the circuit. Then we use ceramic capacitor. The ceramic act as a dielectric. Then the metal layer act as electrodes for the capacitor. Then we use 330 ohm resistor. This resistor act as adjust signal level. Then we use LED. This LED function to show whether the power supply is working or not.
Okay, now I will explain method of the project. So first, we arrange the component on the board. After all the components are in the right place and in a good condition, we start soldering all the components carefully. After complete the soldering work, we test whether the components are working or not. After being satisfied with our work, we tidied up the wires and made a casing, then place it into the casing neatly.
Okay, next, I will explain about a flow chart. Firstly, we planned the type of components and parts need to be used in the project. After that, we drew the circuit diagram and simulation. The third one of our members bought the components and parts for the project. And finally, we assembled all those components and parts and conduct the project and testing the project. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, for the circuit simulation result, we could see at the very beginning of the simulation, the graph rise up near to 6 volt, which a bit higher than 5 volt. This is because the voltage from the capacitor is added in the circuit when we switch on the power supply. Then we could see there is a delay in this power supply because the graph is not starting from 0 second.
I'll show you the bill of the materials. Here you have used the capacitor 470 Fahrenheit 50 volt, 2 transformer 12012 which is 33 ringgit, and 1 LED green 2 and 140 mini green connector which is 2 ringgit, and we use 2 project port cable 1 and it's 8 ringgit, and 2 resistors which is 60 cents. These are all the components and parts we bought for the project. These are the bill of materials. Spend 47 ringgit in total for this project. This is the expenditure of this project, and I'll finish my presentation here. Thank you.